Irurena A-2206 is a two-component, non-yellowing acrylic polyurethane lacquer specifically developed to give a natural effect on timbers. Mixed at a ratio of 20:1 with hardness C212N, 2006 Nature Lacquer has a pot life of 10 hours at 20 degrees C. Noted for its exceptional look and smoothness, A-2206 may be applied by any type of spray application equipment. Applied in two coats, A-2206 gives excellent adhesion and good pore wetting during application. For more information on this or any other high technology coating, contact Movac Group, the solution provider.